Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We're talking about the Ninja Foodi Never Stick 9-piece Nonstick Cookware Set. Now, the name itself, Never Stick, carries a pretty bold claim. So, does this cookware live up to the hype, or is it just another set destined to end up in the back of the cupboard? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what makes this Ninja Foodi set stand out. The core promise is in that never stick technology. Ninja claims this cookware will never stick, chip, or flake. They achieve this through a superheated manufacturing process that reaches 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, that's significantly higher than traditional non-stick pans, which are often made at around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This higher temperature, according to Ninja, means the non-stick coating is much more durable and less prone to degradation over time. This is crucial because we've all experienced those pans where the non-stick surface starts to wear off, leaving you with either a sticky mess or, worse, concerns about what you're actually cooking with. The durability aspect is further reinforced by the fact that this coating is metal utensil safe. You can use spatulas, whisks, and other metal tools without worrying about scratching the surface. This is a game changer for many home cooks who don't want to constantly baby their cookware. And for those of us who value efficiency, the entire set, including the lids and handles, is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can seamlessly transition from stovetop searing to oven finishing, perfect for recipes like roasts or baked dishes. Heat distribution is another key area, and Ninja addresses this with a medium-gauge 3.3mm aluminum base. This thickness is designed to provide even heating across the entire surface of the pan, preventing hot spots that can lead to uneven cooking and burning. Whether you're searing a steak, sautéing vegetables, or making delicate sauces, consistent heat is paramount. Let's talk about the build quality. The cookware features a glossy black exterior that's not only sleek but also easy to clean. The handles are designed for a comfortable grip and, as mentioned, are oven safe. The set is also dishwasher safe, which is a massive convenience for busy kitchens. Beyond the practicalities, Ninja emphasizes that this cookware is PFOA, cadmium, and lead-free, which is a significant plus for health-conscious consumers. The versatility of this set is another major selling point. It's advertised as all-range capable, meaning it works on gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction stovetops. This broad compatibility ensures that most kitchens can take full advantage of what the Ninja Foodi set has to offer. From searing and sautéing to griddling, pan frying, baking, roasting, and broiling, the intended applications cover a wide spectrum of cooking techniques. Now, no product is perfect, so let's look at some potential pros and cons. On the pro side, the Never Stick technology, if it lives up to its promise, is a huge advantage. Metal utensil safety and oven safety up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit offer excellent versatility. The even heat distribution from the aluminum base is a solid feature for consistent cooking. And of course, being dishwasher safe and free from harmful chemicals adds to its appeal. The 5-year warranty also provides a good degree of consumer confidence. However, there are a few considerations. While Ninja claims extreme durability, the long-term performance of any non-stick coating, even one made at such high temperatures, can vary. Real-world use, especially with aggressive scrubbing or continuous high-heat applications, might eventually show some wear. The glossy black exterior, while attractive, could potentially show scratches more readily than a matte finish. Also, while the set is comprehensive with 9 pieces, the specific sizes and types of pans included might not perfectly suit every individual's cooking needs. You might find yourself wishing for a larger stockpot or a different skillet size depending on your typical meal preparations. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Never Stick 9-piece non-stick cookware set presents a compelling package for home cooks. The emphasis on durability and truly non-stick performance, backed by its oven-safe capabilities and broad-range compatibility, makes it a strong contender in the crowded cookware market. If you're tired of replacing non-stick pans that quickly lose their effectiveness, this Ninja Foodi set is definitely worth considering. It aims to deliver on its promise of a cooking experience where food release is effortless and cleanup is a breeze. Link in the description.